Well, it's Halloween, and I'm here with Violet, and we're trick-or-treating. Let's come along and see if we can see some spooky stuff. SpongeBob and a Captain America. A Yoshi.
Whoa, we got Mario too. Look at Mario. And we just moved in. We need some plumbing help. Did he bring his wrenches? We need some help inside.
It's me, a Mario.
Get some pops. Oh, there you go, buddy. All right. Have a good night, hon.
Mom, get you some candy. Trick or treat, honey.
Mike, did you get some ice cream?
Trick or treat.
Trick or treat.
Trick or treat.
I told you they got ice cream.
Oh, you got some free ice cream?
Yep.
Yeah, they're right.
Yeah, there was free ice cream.
He's got one.
One hand.
Happy Halloween. Have a good night.
Oh,
Oh.
another picture. We got a picture with the eyeball. Oh, wait, that's frustrating, dude. There you go. Thanks. You're welcome. Halloween. Anyway, for the next house up ahead.
What your parents tell you. For it is I riding in the dawn. I told you that the dead do not stay on the ground. And I am living proof. Time for you to...
You're not gonna go up and knock? Huh?
I'm scared. They have this many skeletons.
You guys are actually scared to go up and knock? Are you kidding me? Because of all that? Kerrigan and I are not scared to go up and knock. Awesome, man. They were almost too scared to come up here, for real. Take it easy. Oh, look, there's even more in the trees. Violet, what'd you think? Super awesome. Wow. They were too scary, apparently. Okay.
For candy. When you're like scared or not.
Oh, that's cool. Thanks, man. Yep.
This is nice.
It's the candy chute. Oh no!
What did you do, bro?
Hey, Michael.
Oh, there you go. Awesome. Happy Halloween. Thank you.
They did! The people did it again! Oh, now there's two!
Step up nobody wants to be car. Put your bucket over the thing.
That's cute.
Violet, look, it's a full moon. Thank you. They've got the thing too. You gotta go up there, see? Oh yeah, this is way better I think than...
What time? Yeah, try. Here you go.
Happy Halloween.
Here you go.
Thank you. Well, that was Halloween. Did you get a lot of candy?
Yes.
She did, quite a bit. And this is a fun neighborhood to be in for sure. But anyway, we hope you all have a happy Halloween, and please subscribe if you like, and rock on. Violet, look, it's a full moon.